There are natural deterrents. It's sort of a give and take because the thing is, ants are a nuisance, but unless you have fire ants, they're not really the kind of thing that is going to bite or attack you. Most ants are very non-aggressive. So the things that you would apply to deter ants from coming in can be about as annoying to have in your home as the ants themselves. You can make a vinegar water solution of about 50-50 to spray along the perimeter. What that does is if ants have already been coming through, it will break up the communicative chemical that they've laid down in order so that they know what routes to travel upon. Ants get very disoriented and agitated when you clean areas they've been through, because it's like if you're on a highway that has no signs. You don't know what exit to get off on, you don't even know where you are. So when you apply these products that remove their chemical scent, they're suddenly on a highway with no sign and they don't really want to be on that highway. So vinegar, bleach, very strong lemon scent, these are the ones that are less noticeable for you, although some people hate vinegar smell. There's things that are slightly stronger that are still non-chemical. You can do like cayenne powder based. Also diatomaceous earth, which is similar to what you use for bed bugs, which is basically broken down fossils and silicate. If you can very lightly sprinkle those along the edges, it will agitate the ants enough that they really won't want to travel in those areas either. But again, some people would maybe rather see a couple of ants than have cayenne powder lining the kitchen. I would say the easiest thing is when you start to see the ants, just clearing the trails wherever you see them, and you kind of have to stick with it, but you're likely to see less and less ants as long as you keep erasing their communication lines.